When we're thinking about long-term success in the gym, people will think that supplements are needed. And when it comes to overall fitness supplements, there are a very few supplements that are worthwhile. A few of these are whey protein powder. Whey protein powder is simply a convenient source of protein. There's nothing magical about this. And in fact, you don't need whey protein powder at all. You can get all your protein from chicken, you can get it from eggs, you can get it from even some veggie sources. Whey protein is just a dairy, that's what I was going to say. Whey protein is literally a byproduct of dairy. So that's all it is. It's just a convenient source of protein. There's nothing magic about it. Caffeine can help to boost your performance by decreasing your perception of overall fatigue. So caffeine blocks your adenosine receptors in your body, and adenosine receptors essentially is what makes your body feel more sleepy. So with caffeine, it basically is kind of giving you some fake energy because it makes you feel like you're not fatigued, even though your body kind of is. So that's the whole thing with caffeine. But caffeine is very highly researched and also very, very useful. And it's very cheap. So caffeine is a great one to use. That decreased perception of fatigue is going to be the main benefit. Citrulline malate can help to some degree with muscle protein synthesis, which can, of course, be the thing that leads to muscle growth. Beta-alanine is something that can help with increased work capacity and endurance. And then creatine monohydrate, make sure it is monohydrate. There's other creatines like creatine, I think, phosphate, creatine diester, there's a few others on the market. Just stick with creatine monohydrate. That one's the most highly researched. And that can help greatly with overall muscular power, which can lead to more muscle growth long term. So supplements in themselves can be useful. You don't need to waste a lot of money if you're starting out as a beginner on supplements. There's a lot of things out there, but for the most part, just sticking to good diet, nutrition, and stress management will get you so far in the gym and in your fitness journey compared to trying to lean on these supplements and not doing basically hard workouts.